Hello. It's a very interesting question over here. You can see. So the question reads: in the circuit shown in the figure below, for what value of C will current I be in phase with sinusoidal voltage? So Vs is equal to sine 2t. So if we see the question, so immediately we'll see what easy question. So we can immediately say our Xc is equal to XL. That would be the condition of resonance, and at resonance condition our voltage and current are in phase because the circuit acts as a resistive circuit. So Xc term we can directly write Xc is equal to XL. Xc is equal to 1 by omega C and is equal to XL, where XL is equal to 1 ohm. So if we go like that, we get a particular answer, and that answer will be wrong. So how to go about this problem? Why it would be wrong? Because that thing Xc is equal to XL is correct, but it is correct. Resonance means, what does resonance means? Resonance means the circuit acts as purely resistive, and the imaginary component is, or the reactive component is, zero in case of resistance. In case of resonance, your reactive component cancels each other. Now here if we see, this is not a series parallel circuit, this is a complex circuit. This is Xc, okay, and this is not XL, this is R plus J times XL. So if it was like simply XL, then we could have written Xc is equal to XL conjugate or Xc minus XL. So we'll get that, but here in this case we don't have that thing. So how to deal with this question? Usually whenever you encounter capacitance in parallel and inductance in parallel, you need the value of C. So one thing we clearly know our omega value here, because sine 2t, so that means is equal to sine omega t. So the omega value is clear, it is 2. The most important thing here is that whenever we are doing this type of problem, remember one thing: you take admittance y. Y is basically 1 by z. Y is your 1 by z. So the value of y, if you are taking, the value of y would be equal to 1 by xc, okay, plus your 1 by r plus jxl. So 1 by xc plus 1 by xl, 1 by xl value. So 1 by r plus jxl it would be, not xl, r plus jxl would give you this. So the value of xc is 1 by omega c, okay. So value of xc would be 1 by omega c, whereas here 1 by omega c, it will become as omega c plus 1 by 1 plus j times 1. So this value becomes like this. So what is the, why we are going like this? Because the reason for taking it like this is because we know at the resonance condition, at resonance imaginary part at resonance will become 0. So at resonance, I'll keep this as it is. So at resonance, what I can say is, now this is one part of the problem. So here we are having this. So clearly it can be said at resonance, if we have this problem at resonance, what I can say, at resonance my imaginary part would be 0, part is equal to 0. So here instead of omega c, what I can write 2c, and instead of this would be 1 plus j. Now I want the value of c, so imaginary component of this would be equal to 0. So in order to get the imaginary component, and this is 1 by j omega c, so this would be equal to j2c. So here we have to write the term j. So y is equal to j2c plus 1 by j. So what you do is you try to rationalize this 1 minus j and 1 minus j. So once you are rationalizing this, 1 plus j, 1 minus j would become 1 square minus j square, j is minus 1, minus square will become 2, so down you will get 2. So you are left with this value. The value, final value which you will be getting is j times 2c plus 1 minus j divided by 2. So now you are left with the imaginary component. So in the imaginary, j2c and minus c. In the imaginary you have j2c and minus j2 is equal to 0. So j2c minus j2 is equal to 0, or in other terms, if we take this here, see, j2c minus j2 is equal to 0. So j2c is equal to j by 2. J will get cancelled. C value you will get as this 2 will go here. C is equal to 1 by 4 farad. So 1 by 4 farad. So this answer A is correct. A 1 by 4 is correct. So thank you very much. It was a little typical kind of question. So you have to be careful while doing such questions. Usually people will take this XC is equal to XL. That is not the case. Thank you. Stay safe, stay at home, and wear masks.